Welcome to the Parklio gate installation tutorial. Prior to starting the installation, please ensure that you have all the necessary tools and parts shown in the video. Note that the installation video demonstrates the process after the base plate and cables have already been installed. Once you have everything ready, unlock the inspection hatch and open it. Unscrew and remove the electronics cover. Please check that the power supply switch is turned off. Position the gate base onto the 4 anchors and securely tighten the nuts. Connect the power supply to the gate control unit. Please note that only a qualified electrician should carry out this procedure. Take the arm fixing kit and unscrew the cover. Place the arm fixing kit on the gate base. The kit must be installed in the vertical position. Firmly tighten it to the base, as demonstrated in the video. In the next step, remove the cap and screws from the side of the barrier arm. Please note the orientation of the rubber protection as shown in the video. Once you have removed the cap from the barrier arm, place the arm onto the arm support as shown in the video. Tighten the 4 bolts on both sides of the barrier arm. Next, unlock and open the release cover by turning the key clockwise 90 degrees. This will enable you to manually lower the barrier arm. Now, attach the cap that was initially removed from the arm side to the arm support on the other side. Place the cover of the arm fixing kit back on and tighten the screws. Make sure you turn on the power supply switch. Position the cover back on the control unit and tighten the screws. Insert the antenna cable through the hole on the side of the control box. Connect the cover lights to the light terminal on the control unit and place the grommet as shown in the video. Tighten the screws on both sides of the gate cover to firmly secure it to the gate barrier base. Connect the antenna cable to the Parklio brain. Once you have connected the antenna, take the inspection hatch cover and place it back on the gate barrier base to close it. Ensure that the protective earth terminal is connected as shown. That's it. You are now ready to use the Parklio gate. Don't forget to watch our video, How to Add Parklio Product Using Parklio Connect, to easily learn how to connect your smartphone to the Parklio gate.